Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the positive and the negative thinking. Like everyone nowadays are watching TV and newspaper. So most of them are seeing all the negative things which are there in the newspaper as well as television. So when you see the breaking news, it's not a breaking news; it's a breaking heart. So once Dr. Abdul Kalam was talking to a doctor, and most of the people, why most of the people think negative? So the doctor said it's a human nature. For example, if you take a child, if you give a paper to a child, it will take the paper. It won't join the paper. So it's obviously a it's a nature of a human. Person the person runs behind in the TV or newspaper. So what the editor will do, he runs behind the news which is negative. So he want to correct the news which is negative, so that he want to do the marketing, so he want to show off, he want to develop his channel. So that's the reason he runs behind the negative and he shows. But the people who watch should only watch the positive thing, not the negative. Once there was a editor. His name is A.G. Gardner. So he is a famous English editor. Once he told that when a dog runs behind a person, it's not a news, but when a person runs behind a dog is a news. So that is just an example I was telling. So that is the news which makes the highlight. So one thing you need to believe, that 80% in the world are good, only the 15% people are bad, but they make a noise. You won't hear the 85% voice, but unfortunately you can see only the 15% people only you need to believe. So if only negative is not a life, so it's not only negative is not a life happen. So it's not only the simple. See the positive, it should be fact. Example, if corona, not all the things happen are bad, some. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the positive things uh, in life. So why most of the people go behind the negative? Why not the positive? So today I think everyone, because of this corona, everyone are sitting in home and watching most of the time TV and read the newspaper. But when you see the TV, the breaking news. So when you see the breaking news, it's not a breaking news; it's a breaking heart. So all the negative things, what you think, see or watch uh, in the media are all negative. So just you need to avoid that. So doctors, once there was Abdul Kalam was saying why most of the people think negative, why not positive. So the doctor, he was asking to a doctor, okay. So the doctor replied, it's a human nature. For example, if you give a paper to a child, so it will tail, it won't join the two papers. So it's a negative thing. So it's the general nature of the people. So once there was a editor whose name was A.G. Garner. He's a famous newspaper editor, English newspaper editor. He was telling like, if a dog runs behind a person, it's not a news, but a man runs behind a dog and bites the dog, that is the news. So all the TV news channel, which there are few things where it's not always there will be a negative, but still there is a positive. But it depends on you how you take up that, what you take up from the news. So whether you are taking up a negative or you are watching the positive. So you will be watching both negative and positive, but what you take from it. So whether it's a negative you will take or a positive. So one thing I want to, there was a research done. So 85% of people are good, only the 15% people are bad. But the noise what the 15% does, all the things will be covered for that 80% of the people. So you can't hear that 85 people, the good people's voice. So only the negative things will not happen in life. Even the corona, positive also will be happen. Example, so in corona we think that everything is happening, people are dying, or most of them are affected with I mean pandemic, the corona. So we won't think about the positive things. So even the positive is happening. So you can see, I mean, like the families are union at home. Everyone are being at home and they're sitting together, enjoying. They are, I mean, like you can see when you go for work. So every wife and husband, they will go for work and they'll be separate for whole day. Only during Saturday and Sunday, sometimes they'll meet together. But now, if you see work from home, everybody will be there, and you'll be with your family. With, I mean, like it's. I understand that you'll be working, but still, you'll be in front of the people, I mean like with the family, so you'll be enjoying. So this part is a good thing. Okay, we should not always think about the negative, we should think about the positive. So once Kalam, I mean Abdul Kalam, I mean he was thinking, I mean like he was discussing with the doctor, and what he told, like we want to do some research on that. So what he told, he has opened an e-magazine. Okay, so he wanted to show about the positive things. So in that e-magazine, only the positive things, what are the good things are happening on that day, is being posted in that magazine. Shockingly, he saw that after an year, there were 10 lakhs people are registered to that magazine, e-magazine, 10 lakhs. So that time Abdul Kalam came to know that, okay, so many people are very much eager to, I mean, like learn the good things, but unfortunately, whatever you are getting isn't negative things. What all the negative things we are getting, but people are not getting the good things. But still, the people are waiting. They are eager to learn the positive, but there is no positive things happening. So all the negative information are flowing around us. So similarly, there was, I mean, like the doctor also had a friend whose name is Lassie Hill, Laceyhall. Lassie Hill. He's a psychiatrist. So he's a neuropsychiatrist. You can search in Google. He's a big search research. So he had done one research. So whoever friends he had, he gave a diary to everyone, and he told everyone to draw a line in between the diary, and to the left side write the positive things, and to the side right side write the positive, and to left side write all the negative things. So after a few days, he took all the diaries, and shockingly, he generated a report, and shockingly he can see 92% of them are negative people. So they are all written negative, starting from what they start with negative things from the day, like shouting to a labor or making angry, and seeing all the bad things. So all the negative, 92% people are, influenced by negative things. So they are suffering in their life. Only the 8% people are positive. So they are, if you see their lifestyle, they are researchers, they are doing success in their life, and they are, achieved something in their life. So in, it's not only in infalt, in many fields they have achieved in their life. So friends, don't follow that. So what we do is we always follow that 92% thing. So that is the negative thing. So but we need to think about the positive. That is the 8% people. We need to follow that 8% people who thinks positive, and we need to achieve a big things, and we need to make a big achievement in your life. So negative people, you need to be very positive even in the negative things. You need to see the positive thing in the negative situations. So that will make your life very happy, and it will make you very positive, and everything will be success what you think. So please think always positive and be success. Thank you.